Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about HippoCoin and the reason why its price is dumped by more than 6x in last 24 hours. Right now this meme coin is on its all-time low because recently we saw another massive dump for BTC and Ethereum. After that, entire crypto market was dumped and many meme coins were dumped, but up to 20 to 30%. But this meme coin dump 85%. Okay, 85% recent dump in Hippo coin. So what is the reason? Is Hippo has potential to survive this dump, or this meme coin going to be zero soon? So video is be very special, very important. Have to just for the complete video here. But friends, before further details about Hippo, if you not join my Telegram channel, so you can also join my Telegram channel for further crypto updates here. Link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel. Hippo current price $0.0018. Before this dump, is price for trading around $0.0065. Okay, at that levels, but right now almost 5 to 6x dump in Hippo. You can see friends, right now is again going upward here, but the recent dump is price dumped by almost 49% and 56% last 14 days. Current market right now only 18.5 million. Okay, only 18.5 million market for Hippo coin, 36.9 million trading volume in last 24-hour. Trading volume is still good. It's just because of heavy sellings. Okay, this trading volume is 36.9 million. 10 billion supply all in circulation, and I can see friends, 19 hours ago MAC is all time low. There was $0.0015, and right now trending on $0.0018. So only 18% up. Then is all time low. They were 19 hours ago, and right now we are 93% down. Okay, just like Peanut, Popcat, Binance listed meme coins, this meme coin is also 93% down, and Hippo is also listed in Binance future. Okay, this is not a low cap meme coin, or say listed on few central exchanges. It's not like that. This coin is also listed in Binance future, and many other major central exchanges has already list this Sui ecosystem meme coin. But right now friends, we are 93% down, and because yesterday heavy selling in Hippo coin, is price is barely jump here. You can see Bitcat, Cat.io, HTX, MEXC, KuCoin, and Lbank, xt.com, CoinW. These some central exchanges is already list this coin, and CoinX also, BTime, friends. So some sweet dexes also, so already huge central exchanges listing for Hippo. And friends, I also buy this coin, I think few hours ago when this coin was in massive dip. I buy for just $31, and right now $1.5 profit already. I'm going to sell this coin when it reach maybe these levels. Okay, 0.0048. Okay, means my amount will be double or triple here, means 2x or 3x. After that I will sell out my all Hippo coins, because I buy this $30 worth coin for short term, not for long term, because I'm already holding this coin on MEX exchange for long term. But this buying is for short term. When my amount will be double or triple here, then I will sell out my all coins, because right now is selling pressure is somehow decreasing here, and now its buyings are increased here. So this is good for Hippo coin, that maybe we can see its quick recovery also. Friends, my price prediction now about Hippo is definitely that if market cap, okay, if BTC in short term can recover again, we can hit 80,000 levels again, then definitely so can again recover quickly. We can see in short term smart cap around maybe 40 to 50 million. But if it's not happen, because right now BTC and entire market is unstable, so it's also possible that we can see maybe some more dump in Hippo because of entire market dump. But I think this dump, and because right now we are almost is all time low, so Hippo cannot going down. Maybe this coin can stable now at 18 to 15 million dollars market cap. I don't think Hippo can dump more than 15 million dollars market cap. So I think this price can good for short term buying, and if you're gonna buy this meme coin for long term, then I think this right now current market as current price is good, as I already buy this coin for short term. And I think if BTC can recover in short term and hit $80,000, so that's why we can see this coin also to hit at least 40 million in short term. but friends, in long term, definitely this coin is already listed in Binance Future and one of best ecosystem meme coin. So Hippo can do amazing, but due to recent selling pressure, heavy selling pressure yesterday on Hippo, is price barely dumped here. That's why we are 93% down in its all time high, and right now this meme coin is on its all time low. What do you think? Was your price prediction about Hippo? You can must comment down below.